So you want to download the game Coral Island on your PC without overspending? Don't worry. In this video I will show you how to legally download this game on your PC without overspending. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to see more content like this. The next step will be quickly searching up this game at Steam before we can continue to the next website to download this game. Quickly go to the Steam website, don't waste too much time over there, and search up the game Coral Island. Search for the game, after that scroll a little bit down, and once you have done that you will find out that this game on Steam is €29.99. But don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games. What we need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page. And here we are going to search for the same game, Coral Island. Then select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. Once you have done this, you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work. Once you have done this, then you can select it, and as you can see, we can already download this game for just €11.84 compared to the Steam price of €29.99. This will definitely save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now the next step is to purchase this game on this website, and after that you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!